If hard work alone made people rich, construction workers and nurses would all be millionaires. But they are not. Because success isn't about how many hours you grind, it's about whether you have mastered the right skills. The top 1% know this, and that's why they win in any field. These aren't technical skills like coding or accounting. They're high-income skills that multiply your opportunities. They future-proof your career. And the best part, anyone can learn them. In this video, I will break down 6 high-income skills that completely changed my life even when my first 50 YouTube videos flopped, and how they can change yours too. Number 1. Relentless focus. Most people think success is about time management, but it is really about attention management. McKinsey studied high performers for 10 years, and they found out that when people enter the flow state, productivity increases by 5 times. One focus hour can be worth 5 distracted hours. Yet the average person checks their phone 96 times a day. Every interruption costs 23 minutes to refocus. That's hours of lost attention every single day. And I lived that. 9 hours of work, 3 hours of progress. By the end of the day, I was drained and frustrated. Then I started time blocking. I literally put script writing in my calendar and set 1 hour timer. Treat it like a meeting I couldn't miss. When the timer rings, the script is usually done. That single habit changed everything. Not just my YouTube, but my workouts, my family time, and my entire life. Focus gave me discipline. It forced me to stop saying I don't have time and start saying this hour is for my channel, this hour is for the gym, and this hour is for the people I love. Action step. Block 60 to 90 minutes a day for one high leverage task. Turn off notifications, no multitasking, and just deep work. Do this consistently and you will outperform 99% of people who stay busy but never move forward. Skill number 2. Build a personal brand. Being good isn't enough anymore. If no one knows you are good, you are invisible. I chose YouTube to build my brand because I wanted to tell my story, not behind a faceless finance page. Now people know me as the 29 years old who saved $100,000, works 2 times a week in the clinic, and is building a business she loves. That reputation became my personal brand, and suddenly opportunities started finding me. I will never forget my first real comment. Someone wrote, "It's amazing what you have done at your age. Keep going." That single line told my story mattered. That is the power of a brand. It's not a logo. It's a story people repeat about you. When people hear my name now, they don't just think I'm a dental hygienist. They think she is the one who saved 100K by 29 and built her creator life. That is sticky, that is memorable, and that pulls people in. Action step. Share one part of your journey this week. A post, a tweet, or a 1-minute video. Your first attempt will be awkward. Mine were also. But consistently builds brand equity. And brand equity makes opportunities chase you. Skill number 3. Master communication. Sales. Everything in life is sales, but not a pushy kind. Sales is communication. Getting your kids to eat healthy, asking for a raise, negotiating a job offer, convincing friends to watch your favorite movie, that is all communication. The top 1% master this. They don't just explain what something is, they communicate why it matters. When I first launched my budgeting template, I failed. My pitch was, "Here is my template, link in the bio," but nobody cared because I was talking about me and not them. Then I shifted. This template helped me to save $500 each month. Use it and you will find your own hidden leaks. The product didn't change, the communication did. People don't buy what you make, they buy how it changes their life. And once I understand that, sales stopped feeling like selling and it felt like helping. Action step. Next time you pitch yourself or an idea, don't lead what it is. Lead it with a problem it solves and how the other person's life can get better. Skill number 4. Build mental resilience. Talent doesn't separate winners from quitters, resilience does. Angela Duckworth studied high achievers, athletes, CEOs, and military cadets and found grit was the biggest predictor of success. Because success doesn't test you on good days, it tests you when everything falls apart. For me, it was my first 50 YouTube videos. They flopped, and some took 30 hours to make and get eventually only 10 views. I remember uploading at midnight, refreshing and seeing 10 views, closing my laptop and thinking, this is hopeless. The next day I told my husband, I don't know how long I can keep this up. That was my breaking point. Most people quit there. But then I thought about the story I have read about Buffett, Google in a garage, and Colonel Sanders with hundreds of rejections. Every story has that impossible phase. The difference between quitting and winning is resilience. So I kept going. It took over a year to monetize. My first paycheck, $20. $20 for 100 of hours of work. It stung, but it proved the system worked. Resilience is a muscle. Every setback is a rep. The more you push through, the stronger you get. An action step. When you face a setback, don't ask why me. Ask what is this teaching me? That reframe keeps you in the game. Skill number 5, patient and delayed gratification. We live in a world addicted to instant results. Scroll, click, and buy now. But real success compounds over time. When I had 100 subscribers, I felt like quitting. I thought no one is watching, but I stayed patient, kept uploading week after week. Then one day, my first real YouTube paycheck came, $20, cents per hour. Painful, I know, but it proved that the system worked. Now I have seen a small but a steady stream. Not huge yet, but the start of something real. That is compound effect. 1% improved that stacked daily over years. Patience isn't passive, it's an active persistence, trusting the process when results are invisible. An action step. Stop comparing yourself to others' timeline. Compare yourself to your yesterday. That's how you play the long game. Skill number 6. Network like a giver. Your network is your net worth, but not in a fake way. Real networking is giving. Adam Grant studied success and found 3 types of people: the takers, matchers, and the givers. And the one who win long terms are the givers, because generosity builds trust and trust comes back. I see this every time I connect with creators ahead of me. Sometimes I scroll Instagram and see older creators say, we live from this, and they show their freedom. And I think if they can do it, why not me? That thought makes success feel human. We all have the same 24 hours, and the only difference is how we use them. Networking isn't asking, it's giving, adding value, sharing knowledge, and connecting with people. Do that consistently and doors open you could never force to open. An action step. This week introduced 2 people who could help each other. No agenda, just give. It's one of the most powerful habits you can build. If you like this video so far, please like and subscribe. If you want to know more about the habits of the millionaires, watch this video.